We are going to work on our 3D barn. For the 3D barn, you need a ruler, a pencil, and an eraser. I will be using Sharpie so you can see it. You will be using light pencil. You're going to make sure the ruler has the 12 at the top, or the 12 at the bottom and the 0 at the top. I am going to take my ruler, I'm going to put it about 3 fingers from the edge. I'm going to make sure 0's at the top, 12's at the bottom, and I'm going to make marks at 6.5. So here is 6, here is 7. I'm going to make my mark to 9.5. Here's 9, here's 10, here's 9.5. So 6.5 to 9.5. Then I'm going to scoot the ruler over about a sideways hand. Once again, I have to make sure my 0's at the top, my 12's at the bottom, and they're lined up nice and straight. This time I'm going 6 to 10. So here is 6, I go to 10. 6 to 10. Then I'm going to scoot over about a sideways hand, or an up and down hand. Make sure my ruler's lined up, 0, 12, and I'm going to do the same, 6.5 to 9.5. So here's 6, here's 7, halfway between is 6.5, here's 9, 9.5. So I have short, tall, short. Short, tall, short. See how the tall one goes past my ruler? See how the tall one goes past my ruler? Now I connect edge to edge, dot to dot. 1, 2, 1, 2, and again. 1, 2, 1, 2. This will be the front of my barn. I'm going to mark it on here. Please don't write it on your paper. And this will be the side. Now that we have the front and the side, we're going to work on the roof. So I have my ruler. I'm going to line it up with the top of my wall. So here's my wall. The edge of my ruler is the same as the top of my wall. And I'm going to make a line past here. It's kind of floating. It's not connected to anything. I can fit my ruler inside of it, but it's not connected to anything. To connect it, I'm going to find the center, about the center of my front, and I'm going to draw a line straight up and connect. Now, yours may not quite connect. You may need to scoot it over. You may need to adjust a little bit. So all the way up. So 1, 2. One, 2. Now I have a triangle here, a square here, but my roof is not complete. Now I have to take my ruler. It should still fit inside of there. If it does, I'm going to line my ruler up with the 1, 2. Get it nice and straight and carefully slide it over to the edge. 1, 2. Once again, yours may not fit perfectly. You might have to add some lines or erase some lines. If there's a little extra, if it's a little short. So now 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All of those should be connected. My ruler should fit inside my roof, and I should have a line up the middle. This is going to be the front door. This is going to be the side of the barn.